My name is John Arnel Torres, but most people call me Neil. I am currently a second year student pursuing a Bachelor of Industrial Automotive Technology, turning my passion for machines into a career. I live in Hilayagan, Ilaya, Trinidad, Bohol, and I will be celebrating my birthday, 20th birthday, this June 9. When I am not busy with my studies, you can usually find me on the court playing basketball. Aside from sports, I enjoy creating memory video blogs on my Facebook to capture the best moments of my life. These vlogs allow me to reflect on my experience and share with others. My absolute favorite food, especially during celebrations, is the delicious Filipino lechon. Overall, I am a creative and active person who enjoys learning new things and making lasting memories. Thank you.